Today we're gonna learn column written gift trays, as you guys already saw it in my thumbnail, and this poster also you guys saw it in my old video. And I couldn't make that video, but so today I'm gonna do in front of you guys so you guys can learn with me and do with me together. Okay, let's get into it. I got these trays from Dollar Tree. These are just for $1. Yes, you heard me right, and they are super cute. When I saw these trays, I thought these are super cute. Why don't I make something out of this? So finally I decided, let me make some written gifts out of it. So I painted like this. They were just a bare wood color, right? So I colored them. Now you can use any kind of color. You can use acrylic colors, you can use spray paint or anything. I used my brush and painted acrylic colors. Here I'm using a regular paper pencil to make the marks whatever the column I want, so that way I won't make any mistakes when I'm doing on the paint. With this pencil it will be light visible if you guys can see or not. I'm really not sure in this video, but yes, I'll try to show in different angles also so that you guys can see. I'm making simple columns that is 7 into 1 in each one, like 7, 5, 3, 1, like that, alternate. Yes, and here I am making it column. So this way you won't do any mistakes. If you want to redo, if you think the design is not centered or design should be different, something else once you are done, so you can do all those changes here. So here it is. And as a border also, whenever the column designs are there, just the rangoli design, instead of that there should be a border always. My mom used to say that without border never put a rangoli. I didn't know why is that, but here why I'm doing is the rangoli tray is looking so good with the border. Without border I didn't like much. So I'm done with the color, and here that's the brush, 0 size brush I'm using, and I take a paint and I'm gonna draw like that. I can use here a acrylic paint pens also. They are available in the market, but I didn't want to use them because they doesn't look great when they get dry. This one gives the natural authentic handcrafting feel. With brush it feels so organic and authentic feel. I like that in my trays, so I'm not using a paint pen. When you use the paint pen it gives so polished look. I don't want that type of polished look here, so I didn't use any paint pen. If you don't have much time like me and you need to wrap up little quickly, so you guys can use directly the pen. That will be super easy also. And when it comes for the border, I didn't put any marks because they are just lines, so I'm just gave the lines in the paintbrush. That gave more elegant to the tray, I thought. Once you are done with the painting and it's fully dried, you need to give a coat of varnish to secure your painting and give nice glossy look. Here I am giving the picture of the varnish which I used. That's it for this Thursday. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you like it, of course share with your family and friends. Lots of love. See you on next Thursday. Bye bye.